I'm here for the 2019 Crunchyroll Expo in San Jose. Let's see what happens. Let's go.
I've been walking solo, dreaming you were back home. I forget it down low, hide till tomorrow. Come back into the cold light, lose these hazel love lines. I've been chasing my mind, lonely in the cold nights. Cause I'm picking up songs without you, can't pick up the phone without you. I'm a little bit lost without you.
Yeah, just to be able to sit down and recoup in my vehicle. So far, the Crunchyroll event is actually pretty dope. I've never been to one of these things before. It's different. I'm not really into these type of stuff. I do watch anime. I guess you can call me a closet nerd. But you know, it's cool to see people craft the art, be able to go there, experience each other, almost be like in a safe place where they can be themselves. Show their, the creativity and actually bring joy to other people, because I actually enjoyed meeting some of the characters there, or people who dressed up in cosplay. It was actually pretty entertaining. But I feel like a lot of these things, you're paying to watch other people dress up, and the event isn't really providing you with anything, which is kind of odd. There was a game room, there was a cinematic room, we could watch anime. What else was there? But there was a whole floor of like stuff for sale. But really and truly, the best part about it was really the people who come there dressed up. And I guess in a sense, that's what you're there for. And I guess I would do it again. It's weird to say that I feel like I'm being robbed in a sense, but at the same time, I feel like I'm getting a great fulfillment out of it. So don't be surprised if I go to another one of these events. I heard the Dragon Con is the one I really need to go to, not the Crunchyroll. So I got to see a lot of characters that I don't know who they are. It was very interesting to try to learn who people are, because I went with a group of guys who actually know what they were doing. I felt like a lost kid every time I lost them. They were a lot younger than me, and I felt like I was a child who was, misplaced from his parents. So a lot of times, confused, felt alone, lonely. It was a different feeling, because usually I go to something that's my own element, like a brew fest or whiskey event. But this was different, and I have to say it was a great experience, and I think you'll definitely see me doing one of these again.
Since I've been walking solo, dreaming you were back home. I forget it down low, hide till tomorrow. Come back into the
right, so far been a good expo. My first one, and I'm having a great time.
Do you know that I've been closing my eyes? Love me so hallucinating, you're swinging me all of your life. Do you know how, since I've been walking so long,